Hello, my name is Sebastián Narváez. This is task number 2, activity 3 of psychology and language learning. I will answer the two questions. The first one, what aspects of learners' interlanguage are most likely to affect their ability to use language effectively outside the classroom? Word order, grammatical morphemes, vocabulary, phonology, pragmatics, and why? I believe with this information we can have a better idea of what we should do with our students as future teachers. My personal opinion is that all of them affect the proper use of language outside the classroom. For example, if we do not give the right order to the words that we write or speak, it will be more difficult for people to understand our message. In the same way, if you don't have a good understanding of the grammatical morphemes, the same problem will show up. If we talk about vocabulary, it is clear that if we don't have vocabulary, we cannot express ourselves. Pragmatics are very important because we need to develop some language skills, especially if we want to manage a good conversation with people, be more understandable for us, responding correctly to the different situations. Phonology, of course, is very important because the mispronunciation of a word in a sentence or in a conversation may lead to a confusion or not the correct understanding of what we are trying to express. Also, that's why it's very important for us as future teachers to make sure that our students have a good knowledge of all these aspects. Personally, I believe that students learn more with real-life situations, teaching our students to be around the target language all the time. That's our goal, to make them watch movies, listening to music, listening to songs, interacting with native speakers. Try to make them be around the language, involved with the language as much as possible. For the next question, do you think priorities for classroom interaction and instruction reflect the importance of these different language features? I firmly believe that yes, of course. Classroom interaction and instruction are very important in the learning process. By using the classroom interaction, the students are more active in the learning process. Student-teacher interactions provide a unique point for educators and others working to improve the social and learning environments of school settings and classroom settings. I believe that the teacher-student interaction have been consistently linked to varied outcomes for students. From the first day in school, college, university, or wherever you are learning a second language, students must rely on teachers in order to be provided with the support and guidance to establish the foundation for teacher-students interaction in classroom. So the students will not only interact with confidence in the classroom but also outside without being afraid of making mistakes. So we need to teach our students to interact outside and inside the class using real situations like formal and informal conversations, debates, expositions, readings, etc. So in that way, our students will have a better writing, speaking, and listening. Okay, that's all. Thank you.